Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh Dharne. Today I am excited to present to my project on Agile project lifecycle, modern approach to software development that emphasize speed, flexibility, and customer collaborations. So let's get started. So what is it exactly Agile? Agile is just not a buzzword; it's a transformative project management methodology that promotes continuous iterations in both development and testing. Unlike traditional methods that follow a rigid step-by-step plan like waterfall, Agile breaks the project in smaller, manageable parts and delivers working pieces incrementally. This means faster feedback, quicker delivery of value, and better alignment with user needs. Ally- Agile also encourages open communication, flexibility, and teamwork, leading to more innovative and high-quality results. Here are the history of Agile. The Agile movement was born from frustration with the traditional development methods that were slow and inflexible. In 2001, 17 software developers came together and created the Agile Manifesto, set of values and principles to guide a better way to build software. All through it started in software development, Agile has now spread across more industries due to effectiveness in managing complexity and change. So the Agile Manifesto is built on four core values: individuals and interactions over process and tools, working software over comprehensive documentations, customer collaborations over contract negotiations, responding to change over following a plan. These values shift the focus from rigid procedures to people, results, and adaptability. This empowers teams to deliver what customers truly needs, not just what written in contract. Behind the value are Agile principles. These are 12 principles behind the Agile Manifesto. The key principles include early and continuous delivery of valuable software, embarrassing, embarrassing change even late in development, frequently deliver of working software, close daily cooperations between business peoples and developers, projects built around motivate individuals, face-to-face communications as the most efficient. Working software is the primary measure of process. Sustainable development piece, continuous attention to technical excellence, simplicity, self-organizing teams, regular reflection and adaptations. These principles are as the foundation of agile practices. This guides team forward, frequently deliver the strong collaborations and responsiveness. When followed consistently, they lead to higher quality outputs, satisfied customers, and empowered teams. This is the six phases of software development life cycle: analysis, design, development, testing, and deployment. And last is the maintenance process. This is the deployment diagram. So here are the features of agile software management. Uh, the first feature is a project structure. In agile, it's iterative and incremental. In waterfall model, it's linear and sequential. In planning, agile follows the adaptive and waterfalls follow the predictive. In next feature, flexibility in agile is high and waterfall is low. Customer involvement is frequent and in waterfall is minimal and after planning. In the feature is delivery in agile, it's continuous and waterfall is end of project. The next feature is risk management. In agile, it's early detection. In waterfall is the last stage surprises. Next is a feedback. In agile is ongoing and waterfall is a post going or a post delivery. This comparison highlights how agile adapts more easily to changing requirements and offers greater customer engagement. Waterfall is the better suited to projects with fixed scope, while agile is ideal for innovations and rapid iterations. So next is the agile project life cycle. Agile projects process through incremental and iterative phases. The key phases are concept, inception means planning, iterations planning, executions, release, maintenance, and closure. Each phase in Agile is designed to deliver value while maintaining the flexibility to adapt as needed. Understanding these stages helps ensure that team maintain a steady rhythm and stay aligned with the stakeholder needs. Next is a concept. This first stage is a concept or initiations where we define the project's visions, objectives, and high-level requirements. Stakeholders are engaged, and we assess flexibility, value, and scope. A clear vision at this stage ensures the whole team starts with shared understanding and success. Next is iterations means sprint planning. Next comes iterations and sprint planning. We break the work into smaller parts known as user stories, prioritize them, and define the sprint goal. Tasks are allocated and criteria for acceptance and discussed. This ensures the team knows exactly what to build and focus on delivering the most valuable features first. Next is the execution, designing, and testing. In this execution phase, teams collaborate to design and build the test features. They hold daily stand up meetings, use tools like Kanban boards, and integrate code continuously. Testing happens frequently to ensure quality. At the end of each sprint, there is a working product ready to review and feedback. Next step is the release step. After execution, we move to release phase. Here we fix any final bugs and deploy working increment to the customer. A sprint review is held with stakeholders and their feedbacks is gathered from the next iterations. This frequent releases cycle ensures that the value is delivered early and often. Next is the maintenance phase. Once released the product enters maintenance, the team monitors the product in real world environment, fixes bugs and release updates based on feedbacks. This phase is crucial to keep the product relevant and stable and optimized. Last is a closure. Finally, we reach the closure. Here, teams affect on what worked and what didn't during retrospective. Lessons are documented and success are celebrated. Even in going projects, these phases encourages continuous improvements and keeps the team aligned from the next iterations. Here are the benefits of Agile. The benefits of Agile are first time faster time to market, higher product quality due to early and frequent testing, greater customer satisfaction from continuous feedbacks, more transparency and team collaborations, flexibility to adapt new requirements. In short, Agile helps reduce risk and increment project success in dynamic environments. Next is agile methodologies. There are several agile methodologies you can choose from. Scrum use space roles like product owners and scrum masters and regular ceremonies. Carbon mean Kanban means focus on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress. Extreme programming empathizes engineering excellence like test driven deployment, empathizes waste and focus on customer values. Each has unique strength and team can be select or blend them based on their needs. So next are real world use cases. Agile is widely used across industries. Spotify uses a squad based agile model to scale development. Microsoft combines agile with traditional methods for cloud platforms. Even governments and healthcare sectors use agile to deploy citizens facing applications. This example shows adaptability and effectiveness across different domains. Challenges of Agile. However, Agile is not without challenges. It demands a mindset shift and a collaborative culture. Team must be trained and experienced in Agile role and ceremonies. It relies heavily on customer ability and honest communications, but with right environment, this challenge can be overcome. So, to wrap up, Agile is not just a methodology, it's a culture and mindset that driven innovation, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. By following Agile values, principles, and life cycle stages, team can be deliver better product faster. While staying aligned with business goals, Agile has the power to transform how organizations work, making them more responsive, resilient, and successful. Thank you for watching my presentation on the Agile project lifecycle.